to get into this. So when we think about preparation, as we're talking about athletes here, people just training in general, we are very aware of the physical training, the demand on the body, and most people tend to kind of start there. But let's talk a little bit more. When should athletes utilize mental skills training? Let's go there. When should people say, you know what, is mental skills for me, and when should I pick this up?
Yeah, there's a common misconception that if you are seeking out a mental performance professional, you have something wrong. And that's honestly not the case. I believe that athletes can use mental skills training in the off season as they're preparing for the upcoming season. Obviously, they have goals for that season that they want to reach. They can come to me obviously during a plateau. During an injury is important, and I don't think athletes think of that as a time that they can they're obviously not able to participate as much in their sport or at all. They can spend that time on the mental game and even get mental practice in, so that when they return to play, it's a smoother transition for them. And then obviously athletes can use their mental skills training just simply as maintenance to maintain the peak performance that they've already achieved.
That's huge. And I love the fact that you said that in the beginning, where it can be that misconception that if I'm getting worked on from a mental perspective, then that means something's wrong. That actually means probably something is right. Because when we start to look at that training and performance, our mind, it is that muscle, and it's something that can be strengthened and trained. And we need some skills and conditioning to make sure that we're sharp and focused. We're seeing a lot of different things kind of come up nowadays, whether it's certified mental performance consultants like yourself, there's sports psychologists. There's a lot of different types of people working towards improving our mental performance. And a lot of the things that we do, especially guys, I know if you've been watching this show before, I'm always speaking to making sure we're working with professionals.